Judging India's Got Talent is an altogether different experience from Jhalak Dikla Ja. Jhalak Dikla Ja is about judging celebrities in the field of dance, whereas India's Got Talent is all about talent that comes from across the country and all kinds of talent.
I think I've only been associated with dance reality celebrity based shows, and I think fantastic. It's been a great experience because I love dancing. But with India's Got Talent, that probably I would say is, if it's one dimensional, this is multi-dimensional, because there's so much more to see, so much more to offer. And even for me as a judge, I think for me to actually judge so many various different kinds of talent, I think is amazing. I learn so much, I see so much, and to see people from all over the country with such amazing talents and with such amazing, they come with such thing in their eyes कि हमें ये करना है, हमें वो करना है, हमें ये दिखाना है. I think it's just the experience is so enriching, and I'm really glad that I could be part of this show.
इसकी खूबी यही है कि यहाँ पर you have rural India, you have middle India, and you have modern India, and you have it represented completely and beautifully all through on this platform. In fact, India's Got Talent is a microcosm of India. यहाँ पर हम छोटे शहरों से, गांव से, गली से, बड़े शहरों से, सब जगह से टैलेंट आता है. और जो हिंदुस्तान में आजकल बच्चे कर रहे हैं, लोग कर रहे हैं, जो पहले प्राचीन कलाएं थी वो दोबारा देखने को मिलती हैं, तो बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलता है. और उन लोगों को भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है. यहाँ पे कोई एज नहीं है, कोई टैलेंट किस टाइप का है उसका कोई वो नहीं है कि दायरा नहीं, रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं. तो आई थिंक इन दैट सेंस इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट शो. I would say it's the biggest reality show. It's a 28 camera shoot with a huge amount of reality going on and various other things. और अलग-अलग talent, how do you judge that diverse talent all together in on one platform? It's the national awards of Indian television.